Do you know sometimes cooking your food in a simple way is just the best? And whenever you are hungry, just think of yummy cash. Hey yummies, welcome to today's video. On the menu today, we are having spinach stew and egusi with some fish and eggs, which can be eaten with rice. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. So I'll add oil to the saucepan and allow it to heat up for some time. Then I'll add in basil leaves. The basil leaf is just to enhance the flavor of the food and also to add a hint of aroma to the palm oil. Now I add in some chopped onions and I'm gonna fry this for at least 2 minutes. I'll then add in my tomatoes and I'm using the tomatoes from the can or from the tin, but you can use fresh tomatoes. I love to use this because at least it is economical. Oh yes. I add in some powdered pepper and give it a nice stir. So I'm gonna cover this for at least 2 minutes to 3 minutes to fry and then come back to check on it. So in here I have the egusi or agushi or akatswan and I've added little water to it or enough water. I'll mix it to get a very smooth mixture and then check up on the tomatoes. So I always love to cook the egusi and the tomatoes together so that they cook together. That is what mommy told me. So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to do a thing. And then I'll keep checking up on it and also be stirring it gently. I said, yeah, you know how to handle your girlfriend. You understand? You handle your girlfriend gently. That is exactly how you stir your egusi. So I'll keep checking on it from time to time because we aren't going in for a burnt food, babe. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber and old returnee, thank you so much for returning back to this channel. Your presence is very much appreciated. And to the newcomers, this channel is a cooking channel. We do intercontinental dishes and recipes on this channel. So if you're the type who loves food and loves to learn new recipes every Mondays and Thursdays, hey girl, hey yummy, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss in. Now I added in little salt to it and then give it a gentle stir. As I told you, we are stirring it like how you will handle your boyfriend or your husband. I cover it again and then come back to check on it after 3 minutes. Now, to note, my fire is on a very low heat. I'm gonna add in my remaining shrimps. I'm gonna cover this again for it to cook for 2 minutes and then come back to check on it. So at this point, our agushi or egusi is well fried and well cooked. I'm gonna add in my smoked fishes and I have a link in the description where I made this. I'm adding in some Wale to it or more, then stir it very nicely and very gently. Add in some all-purpose seasoning and taste for salt. We need the flavors to be infused in our fishes. We cover it for some time and come back to check up on it. Meanwhile, make sure your spinach is on fire. Now I cooked mine for just 5 minutes. So after watching this video, I will be very much grateful if you share this video out on your Facebook page, Instagram, in fact, on your WhatsApp status for others to also have access to this video. After 5 minutes of adding the fishes and the wale to the egusi, add in your cooked spinach, and I used 250 grams of spinach. Stir to mix very well and taste for salt once again. See how beautiful this is. So quick to make, so easy. You do not need any much ingredient. Oh yes. Now the last spice I'll add to this stew is garlic powder, which is totally optional. I love it in my food. After adding the garlic powder, I'm going to add in some cooked eggs. But then if you don't have cooked eggs at home or you don't like it, do not add it. I'm going to add in some chopped onions and then stir this to mix very well. I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for additional 3 minutes. Serve with your rice, your ampesi. Even Oga said you can eat fufu with this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to do everything in love, and don't forget that the best place to eat is where the chef loves to cook. And whenever you think of food or whenever you go hungry, think yummy cash. Cheers!